Jelly Beans, John, coming back at you for another vloggy type video. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans, yeah! Alright, today, I have a pretty good day going on today.
As soon as I sit in this chair, Bart.
I'm going out, I'm going to a couple stores, and I'm going to, help out with some things. You will see where I'm going when I get there, because you know, I love animals a lot. You know, dogs, cats, they're okay. I'm not a cat person. I love all animals, but cats are okay. They're evil. But you know, I'm going to go do something today to help out with something. So you will all see that when I get back. But I'll be taking you all in the store with me, so you'll see it. I'll be back. Hey, Jelly Beans, I am back! Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans. If you could tell, I'm in my car! Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans! Woohoo! I got my car back. Freddie brung it down today. It's fixed. And I'll be probably putting it on sale on Craigslist soon. So, I'll be selling it soon. And then that will be the start of my save up to get a new car. Oh my. So, alright, Jelly Beans, I'll be back when I get to my destination. Alright, see you in a bit. Alright, Jelly Beans, I am in the store. Big Lots. Radio's not that loud, so I'm good. Except for my pants keep falling down every time I walk. Woo! Jelly Beans. Jelly Beans. I'm coming up to food. Oh. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, Jelly Beans. There's the snacks, toys, and stuff.
They don't have the great big bags.
Alright, I'll
have to go to
right down there.
Oh, okay.
Alright, Jelly Beans, we were getting cat food, meow mix, and dog food. They might need kitty litter. No? Cat squeeze. Alright. Hey, that's right, you got cat food, diet, dog food, bleach. You gotta get bleach so they clean up Jelly Beans. Yeah, hey Jelly Beans. We were in that store for probably about half hour, 45 minutes. We got dog food, cat food, some dog bones, and some peanut butter for the doggies. Yeah. You got some diet tea, diet turkey. I got some diet turkey. Oh yeah. Know what I mean, jelly beans? Alright, jelly beans, we're inside. Look at the kitty cats. Dance. Doing what?
Excuse me, guys, sorry. No, I'm going right.
Oh,
right
sorry,
back.
my bad.
You're good, no worries.
Kitty cats.
My bad? Yeah, but this is right here.
Oh, look at that pit. Hey, how you doing? Hello, Pop.
Come on, buddy.
Spoken for. Oh, kind of Zoe.
What kind of puppy is that?
A Labrador mix.
Oh. Wow.
Oh, so young puppy.
Oh, look.
But
That's a
also
lab or
transport.
something, right?
It's a also transport for the ASPCA. It's
Beautiful
2-year-old.
pup. Looks like golden retriever or something.
Yeah, it's a mixed lab. 2 years
Beautiful.
old.
Beautiful.
Oh,
Nothing over there, is it?
it's like a pity.
Spoken for.
You know,
Oh, yeah.
mixed breed.
Beautiful pups. Beautiful.
There's 3 over here.
Oh.
Hi.
Hey, Bubba's. Hey,
Scared.
Bubba's. We got Bianca, 6.
He's barking at us now.
Alicia,
At least
6.
He's got the cone around his head.
Yep.
And Darian.
Darian. Hey, remember everybody, AWA, Voorhees, New Jersey.
Adopt, don't buy.
Very beautiful doggies. Huh? Oh, it's a boxer. Hey, Bubba's.
Hi.
How you doing? Girl.
Punky. My name is Punky.
Beautiful girl. How you doing, girl? How you doing? You beautiful girl.
Female mixed breed. Oh, somebody just got spayed or something.
Oh.
Nothing down here.
No? Must be outside. Out there. Here's the other dog. Oh, Harvey.
Aww.
Where's it?
Right here, Harvey. 3-year-old mix.
Looks like an owl mix. That's all. He's quiet. And you know what? They're nice.
They're probably all scared shitless.
But if you took a
Poor
half,
things.
Yeah, I wonder if these are the Houston dogs right here, down this end.
Oh, hey, Superman.
yeah.
Oh,
Hi, buddy.
Look, he comes with a cape.
Right?
Hey,
He's
buddy.
cute too.
Aw,
Man.
poor thing.
here, boy.
Hey, buddy. Hound mix. What's up, buddy?
He's a pet for vets.
Oh. What's
He's a
up,
pa-
buddy?
He's a pet for Patriots.
Look at that body.
Alright,
Very nice doggies.
favorite mix.
Hey, Jelly Beans, look at Kobe.
Oh no.
What? What?
Ground like it was gonna be aggressive.
Hey, Bubba's. How you doing, Kobe? Oh, it's okay, Bubba's. Hey, Fred. Hey! How you doing? Look how pretty these dogs are. So pretty. You're so pretty. Anything down there?
Nothing. Hey, you look like a boxer mix. Hey. He came up to me, sniffed my hand, went, walked off.
What did you have on your hand?
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Harvey. Harvey Holiday.
Harvey Hurricane.
Well, Harvey was a nice looking pig.
Was he? I don't think I got Harvey on my camera.
Now, he was in the last cage on the right side of the kennel.
Okay. So anyway, Jelly Beans, come to the AWA Adoption Center. Donate. Come check out the animals, adopt dogs, cats, rabbits, pretty much everything.
Anything, really.
Yeah.
They do have tons and tons of cats.
Yes, they do.
They're overwhelmed with cats right now. So dogs, there's a small quantity, but there's more of a selection of different kinds of cats. They have like 3 or 4 rooms full of cats, don't they?
Yeah, I think 4 or 5,
Yeah.
maybe 5.
I don't know, somewhere around there.
I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to post this YouTube video to the AWA Facebook page. Remember, go check them out. Come down here. They're on in Voorhees, New Jersey, on Centennial Boulevard. Oh yeah, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans. Yeah. All right. Check y'all in a bit. Hey Jelly Beans, I'm back. We're at a Ghoulies Pizza. Oh yeah, Jelly Beans.
Are you gonna vlog with Big John?
Yep, that's me.
I saw him get out of the truck. I'm like, that's Fred R. And all from that one video you guys did, or John did.
How you doing?
I was on the video, so.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I was on the video.
How do you pronounce this place? Agulis?
Achuga.
Achugas. Achugas. All right.
Is it alright to use the bathroom?
Yeah.
Alright. I saw
Got
stuff.
that Jelly Beans? Achugas.
They were trying to prank each other.
Ah. Do you know what you want, Fred, or no?
No.
Alright. Well, I know what I want, so I'm gonna order mine. But I want a chicken cheesesteak wrap.
Well, that's tomato?
No,
Just chicken cheesesteak?
just chicken cheesesteak. No onions, just cheese and chicken. Yeah.
That's it.
Yep. And probably order fries.
Order fries?
Alright, sitting down, Jelly Beans.
So,
Very nice establishment here. No. Let me wipe that off. Huh? What's this? That looks good right there. Look at that, Jelly Beans. Looks slamming. I know it's just a menu. Oh my, Jelly Beans, look at that. That chicken cheesesteak wrap. Looks good. Freddie got a cheesesteak special?
You want garlic on your
What is that?
it consists of peppers, mushrooms, onions, provolone cheese, and bacon added,
Oh my.
and mayo and ketchup.
You heard that, right, Jelly Beans?
Yeah.
I don't do onions, mushrooms, or anything else like that. I get everything plain. Wow. That's very good jelly beans. Very good.
Great taste. I give that a 5 out of 5.
I'm going to give mine a special rating. Special John rating. It's 10 out of 5 jelly beans. I highly recommend Achuga's. Very good place in Blackwood, New Jersey. Definitely come check it out. Here are the stats. Come check them out. Alright, jelly beans. Alright, I'm definitely going to take this home with me because I can't eat the whole thing right now. I'm going to eat that when I get home, probably about 6 or 7 o'clock. This is my late lunch.
Yes.
That's going to be my dinner. That's probably going to be the same thing for Freddie.
Yes.
I'm pretty stuffed right now. I had a handful of fries. Same thing with Freddie. Fries are pretty awesome. Very good. I love fries without salt on them. They're the best. I don't care what anybody says.
Yeah. Definitely. I got filled overstuffed sandwich. Oh yeah. Good stuff.
So, John, Nay, thank you.
For the recommendation. Exactly.
This place was the bomb. D.A. I'll definitely come here more often, and
I'll be coming the next time I'm in Jersey. Next, I'll be trying pizza.
yes,
It's hard. There's a couple good spots near me up in PA, but I need some good pizza in my life, so I'll be coming back to try some pizza next time.
last night I finally had pizza. I was not doing pizza 2 times in one night. 2 times
1 week.
1 week. No, can't do that. Especially with the rain, I can't walk outside today. No, my camera will get destroyed.
Regular slice?
Ain't happening.
Light slice?
Oh my, you know what I mean? Jelly beans.
Jelly beans right there. Get behind it.
Alright.
Oh, jelly beans! Alright, jelly beans, we're about to head out of Achuga's, right?
Yep. Achuga's.
Alright. Alright.
That's where the jelly beans are from.
Yep.
I heard John say in one video about jelly beans.
Yep, that's me.
And what's funny is when we're over there eating, I'm like, jelly beans in the machine over there.
Yep. I can't even eat them no more.
Alright. Pleasure meeting you.
Same here, guys.
Alright.
See you guys.
Take care.
I'll
Have a
see
good
your
one.
video sometime this week.
Yep.
Alright, awesome. Alright. See you later. Have a good night. Have a good holiday.
Yeah, I'm off Monday, so
That's good.
I'll still be here at some point, though.
Alright, everybody. We out. Hey, jelly beans, we're back. We just got out of Five Below. Now that you can, right there, you can see it. We got a few things. I got a selfie stick and power brick for my phone, just in case I do live streams and all that stuff. Freddie got a charger for his phone.
Yeah, but I'm using the power brick because we don't have any power outlet inside the van to charge up. So I left PA without a charger, and so I had to pick up a new charger. So I'm not going all the way back to PA. First of all, I don't got a car to get back to PA because it's back in PA.
He drove my car home, like I told you earlier. It does have a power outlet, but my leg is going to be going there, and it's very uncomfortable for that. I also got myself something to drink. You want to see? Some Dasani.
Oh yeah, Dasani. drink that Dasani.
You know who it's made by? Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola, John Haggerty. Coke. See? Coca-Cola. Let me see what this tastes like. Let me give it a little taste tester. Let me see what this tastes like. Now I call that high quality H2O. Hey Jelly Beans, I am back. We're back home. We're back home.
I guess I'll be taking this cord back.
Yep.
Yo, what's up? Jelly Beans. We're back home from the rainy weather, from eating, going to Five Below, and all that jazz.
And we went to Animal Welfare Association, AWA, in Voorhees, New Jersey. They had received some animals from the Hurricane Harvey. So we helped out with some of the animal victims there. And also some of the other dogs that are there. So, animals. We donated food for the cats, treats for dogs, peanut butter, as you all heard earlier. Again, awesome day. I'm going to close this video out and say thank you all for watching. If you'd like, please like, subscribe, share, follow me on Facebook. The link is down below, along with all the other links. John Snay shirts, the Chugas. I hope I know I probably saying your name wrong again, but very awesome food. I really enjoyed that food. Everybody go check them out. Have a good day. Peace. Oh, thank you all for watching. If you like, please like, subscribe, share, follow Facebook. Link is down below.